Hello friends, on this video how you can reset your Honor mobile phone. So friends, before we reset Honor phone, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, if you want to reset your Honor phone, you have to move on setting. Okay, so here's the setting. After you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, or neither you can search here for the reset. You can scroll down also, but here is the easiest way to search for the reset. Okay, I have written RESET reset. So here the reset section, there is many icons. Okay, example like this is the reset speech, right? And here's the reset speech page. Okay, reset shortcut manager, reset network setting, reset all setting, reset phone, reset. So here you want to reset your mobile phone, that's why you have to move on this reset phone. After you click on reset phone, here the last icon is to reset phone again. Okay, the option, click on last option. After that, from here friends, you have to update. Okay, first of all you just update. Okay, after update only you can reset your mobile your phone. First of all you have to select the Gmail. Just tap on the Gmail, or you can just select the WhatsApp also. It says this will delete all the data from your device including accounts, music, and you have to log out the Gmail account also. First of all log out the Gmail account, backup the photos and videos, you can say, or you can say data backup. After that only you have to reset. Okay, just tap on reset after selecting the Gmail icons, I mean removing your Gmail account. Okay, just reset. Here's the icon to reset. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.